Dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes and question and answers of Class 5 EVS Chapter 5, that is Natural Resources. If you want the other lessons of EVS Grade 5 notes and question answers, you can see the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. Solve the following riddle to identify natural resources. Question number 1. You can't live without me. Every plant, tree, animal needs me. Nobody can see me. Who am I? Answer air. Next, I occupy major portion of the earth. I satisfy all your thirst. I make animal, tree and plant cool. Who am I? Answer water. Next, I let you live on me. I help to grow plant and tree. I support all life on me. Who am I? Earth. I give fruits and nuts. I spread cooling shades. No lives are there without me. Who am I? Answer trees. Next question. Bus, lorry, car, bike, vehicles run by me. Thousands of years took to make me. From underground you extract me. Who am I? Fossil fuel. Next, plate, tumbler, vessels are made up of me. Beautiful jewels are made up of me. My and will be hardened by me. Who am I? Answer gold. Next question. Darkness ran away from me. Bright light comes from me. A source of energy, that is me. Who am I? Answer sun. Question number 2. Classify renewable and non-renewable resources. Water, soil, fossil fuel, air, wind, minerals, solar energy, forest. Answer. In renewable resources, solar energy, air, wind, water, soil, forest. In non-renewable resources, fossil fuel, minerals. Next question. Make a list of activities done by using solar energy. Answer. Photosynthesis. Solar energy is converted into electrical energy. Boiling purpose, light. Next question. Explain the uses of soil and forest. Answer. Conservation of soil. Field should be covered with vegetation. The soil should not be used for non-agricultural purposes. Construction of bunds in the edges of fields. Contour tiling should be adopted in stoop areas. Next question. Observe these figures and make a list of uses of forest. See here, figures are there. Now by seeing this figure, you have to write the uses of forest. Forests are also one of the natural resources. They provide fruits, flowers, medicinal plants, wood, etc. Forests are shelter for tribals. Forests prevent soil erosion. The trees here give out oxygen and increase its quantity in the atmosphere. Such useful and the most valuable forests are being destroyed by various human activities like urbanization, industrialization, construction of dams, etc. We must not forget that deforestation means destroying life on earth. Next question. Conservation of forest is everyone's responsibility. Answer. It is a process of preserving the forest wealth. This can be done by following method. Restriction on unnecessary felling of trees. Tree planting. Forest disasters such as forest fire and flood should be controlled. Next question. Name 3 fuels used to run vehicle. Answer. Petrol, diesel, kerosene. Name 3 fuels used to cook food at home. Answer. Kerosene, natural gas, coal. Give examples for the following. Solid fuel, coal. Liquid fuel, petrol. Gaseous fuel, natural gas. Write the uses of natural resources given below. Soil. It is necessary for growth of plants. Forest. They provide the necessary food to the animals and many useful materials to man. Solar energy. Sun is the main source of heat and light to the earth. Animals. Animals are also renewable resources. They enhance their population by reproduction. Fossil fuels to run vehicles and cooking purposes. Minerals, ornaments and construction purpose. Next multiple choice question. Kerosene and diesel are obtained from coal, petrol, petroleum, natural gas. Answer. Natural gas. Which of the following cause least population? Petrol, compressed natural gas, diesel, coal. Next, fill in the blanks. The rocky and earthy layer of Earth's crust is called lithosphere. Natural gas is found with petroleum in oil wells. The oil extracted from traps is called crude oil. In thermal power station, coal is used as fuel to produce electricity. Topsoil is the necessary for the growth of plant. Hydrogen is only gaseous fuel that does not contain carbon. Hydrocarbon are the compounds of hydrogen and carbon atoms. Oil extracted from oil traps. The celebration of World Environment Day is on 5th June of every year. Next main, answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are natural resources? Answer. Nature provides many things such as land, air, water and soil for the organisms to live. These things which are provided by nature are called natural resources. Next question. Name the types of natural resources. Answer. Natural resources are generally classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. Next question. How is soil formed? Answer. The thin top layer of lithosphere containing minerals and organic compounds is called soil. It is formed by disintegration of rocks. Next question. Why do we consider coal and petroleum as fossil fuels? Answer. Petroleum is a liquid mineral found underneath the soil, formed by the action of bacteria, heat and pressure. Coal is formed by the trees which did not decay completely, got buried under the layer of rocks in high temperature and pressure. What are the uses of coal? Answer. Coal is used as fuel in thermal power plant for the production of electricity. Coal products are used in the making of plastics, drugs, cosmetics, fertilizer, medicine, nylon. Next question. What are fossil fuels? Answer. Fossil fuels are formed by the remains of extinct plants and animals which were buried under the earth crust millions of years. Example, natural gas, petroleum, coal. What is meaning of habitat? Answer. The area where an organism normally lives. Next question. Define contour tiling. Contour tiling means plowing along the contour lines, outlines of the land, trap water runoff and to prevent soil erosion. Define weathering of rocks. Answer. The land around us keeps changing. This change is caused by water, wind and living beings. Soil is formed by disintegration of rocks. This process is called weathering of rocks. Last question. Distinguish between renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Resources that are continuously available for use and do not get exhausted are called renewable resources. Resources that are limited and get exhausted after continuous use are called non-renewable resources. So this is all about your class 5 EVS lesson, natural resources. As I have told you, if you want the other lessons notes, you can see the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.